Alright guys, so I just got out of work. So today I'm gonna change my exhaust system on my Kia Stinger. All my parts came in yesterday, so I'm heading over to my friend's house right now, and we're gonna do a little job on this car. We're gonna put the new exhaust in, and I had the new intakes as well, but I think I'm gonna save that for another video. I mean, I don't really think it's a big difference of a sound. You'll just probably hear the turbos a little bit more, but what we're trying to focus on is like how loud the car is. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a quick before, and then we're gonna go to my friend's house. We're gonna get the job done, and then I'll show you guys an after. All right, let's get it. What's the before? That was a cold start. Now I'm gonna give you guys those are the revs before. So that's how it sounds when I'm revving it. Now I'm gonna show you guys like a little quick takeoff, just a little takeoff, just from here and over there, and I'll show you guys how it sounds real quick. All right, let's get it. Let's go install that exhaust system, boys. Alright, so right here on the stop, let me see if I can get a good sound. Hopefully there's no cops around, because fuck, your boy's gonna be fucked if there is. Yeah, all the chattering. This road sucks, man. Alright, we're gonna get to homie's house and we're gonna install it, and then hopefully you guys can notice a difference on this camera, because I know in person it's a big difference in person than it is on camera. Especially when you post it, the quality kind of goes bad, but I'm shooting on my camera, so it should sound good. But yeah guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. The cats are still on. Everything else is off. Hey bro, this page just roll out like that. Like that, bro. Yeah. Here, burn up there. All the stock parts. I don't even want to talk about. All the new parts are in, ready to go. Alright, Wes, go start it, bro. You got the keys in there? Nah, I'm right here. Ooh, Justin, bro. Hey, Justin right here knows how to work on cars, bro. He did a good job right here. And the tool. Ready? Yeah. Oh. Hey, bro. Hey, really college? Really college? Really college auto right there. Certified. This is all. Sounds good. Are we going for a drive? Heck yeah, bro. Random. Alright, bro. This is how it sounds inside the car with the windows open. You're cute, bro. Hey, his name's Justin too, guys, so shout out to Justin. Yeah. He needs a girlfriend. Yeah, he needs a girlfriend, guys. We gotta find him a girlfriend. He loves cats. And the homie Wes right there. 559-638-6088. And then the homie Wes right there, yeah.
That's awesome. I know.
Alright, guys. Alright, bro. I'm a fool with you.
Alright, sir.
I'm a fool with you.